In this video, we're going to go over adding an image to a post or a page in WordPress. So I'm here on my page editing screen, and you'll see I already have some blocks set up. The first thing I want to do is head to where I want to insert the image. So we'll come down here. Well, you'll notice when you hover over the add block option to the far right, there will be a little picture. So this is one way to add an image. Another way would be just to go ahead and hit this plus sign and click on the image part right here, and what will come up is some options. Here you'll see your media library. This is going to contain any and all pictures that you've previously uploaded to your WordPress site, and you have the option to upload new pictures from your hard drive, and you have the option to insert a URL. So we'll go ahead and click on media library, click on our picture. Now over here to the right, you can edit your picture, add some caption, a description. You can copy the link as well. So hit select, and that's it. We'll go ahead and add another picture. We'll click on the block, image. We'll go insert from URL. We'll paste our URL. Now one thing I want you to take note is that you want to make sure that whatever picture that you're using, you have permission to use. A lot of pictures out there are copyrighted and licensed, so if you don't have permission to use that picture, you could run into some issues later on. But there's tons of free resources out there, so if you're looking to use some high quality pictures, just pop in a Google search for free high quality pictures, and you'll get tons of them. It's pretty easy. Go ahead and add that picture. One thing I want to make note of is if you want to make some small changes to your picture, small edits, you can head over to the right side of your screen. You can change the size, change some styles, just something that'll save you some time from having to move your picture over to a photo editing program if you don't need to make any extreme changes. And the last thing I want to note is if you wanted to add multiple pictures to your website, you have the option to add a gallery. So we can click here on gallery, head over to our media library, and this will allow you to add more than one picture. So we can start off by just clicking on them, and this will put a check mark up in the right hand corner. If you decide you don't want a picture, just click on it, it gets rid of it, and we can add multiple pictures to our site. Insert in the gallery. It's a pretty nice feature if you need to add more than one picture. As you can see, WordPress has plenty of options and features when it comes to adding images to your site, all very helpful and easy to use.